Hello all. Today's lecture is on Boolean expression and Boolean function, as well as how we can make Booleans expression using logic gate steps. Let's start from the beginning. The first one is, let's understand Boolean algebra is going, how it is worked. See, this is the example for Boolean algebraic expression. F stands for its function. A, B, C, D are four variables. So this is whole Boolean function is, and this is its expression. How can you understand there are four variables? There are number of variables which are available in an expression are available in a Boolean function. So A, B, C and D are there. Mark my word, we don't need to consider a bar in that. So it's a Boolean expression and this one is a Boolean function. Left side of the equation represent the output y. So in place of this function you can write y also. So a plus bc bar plus adc, this can be written as the function. Now another example of three variable, f of abc, which having the expression a plus bc, right? So this is the way how we can express Boolean function. Then the second point is how to make a truth table from the Boolean equation. How to make it? So y is equals to a plus bc is given. So let's try to understand is how many variables are there? A, B and C. So total 3 variables are there. 2 raised to 3, that means 8 possibilities because it's binary combinations and 3 inputs. So there are 8 possible outcomes will be there. How to write 8 possible outcome on the basis of 8 4 2 1 system. So it is 4 to 1 system, which we learn already in a binary number system, right? So 4 to 1, that means you need to write 4 0 and 4 1 in a column. You need to stop there when you write it once. Then 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1, then 0 1 0 1 0 1 up till the end. So these are 8 combinations without any error, right? Now the expression is a plus b into c. So firstly you need b into c, then you can do ORing with it a. So b into c are these two columns and the AND product of them individual inputs. So we know the AND gate 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 1, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, just 1 into 1 is 1. So according to that formula you can put the values here. See, 1 into 1 will be only 1, elsewhere others are 0. This is b into c, this column you got. Now you need to do the ORing it with a. You need to do ORing with a. ORing, that means 0 plus 0 is only 0, all other will be 1. So see this two column, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1, up to so on, 1 plus 1 will be 1. So like a way you can make any truth table using Boolean expression, right? Now it's time to move for the how to draw the logic circuit using Boolean expression. Yeah, how can you write Boolean expression from the logic circuit? Vice versa. Firstly, let me show you how can we write Boolean expression. See, this is the logic circuit, this one. So let's try to solve it in a part. This is the first part, this is the second part, this is third part, which is output one. Let's assume first part having two inputs a and b, and it is AND gate. So you can write its output a into b. So you get y1 as a into b. For y2 you will get c bar because it's just a not inverter, and y3 will be your having two input, those are ab and c bar, and it's the ORing will be there. So ab plus c bar, this will be your total output. So y will be y1 plus y2. This one is y1, this one is y2, and you will get it as a output because OR gate having two inputs y1 and y2. So the equation will become y1 plus y2. Let's get for one more. Let me draw it for you. 1 NOT gate, 2 NOT gate, and 3 NOT gate. That is one AND gate. And this is just with the OR gate, and this is your output. Let's make an example a, b and c. So here it become a bar B bar and C bar. Now this having two inputs A bar and B bar, and this is the end product of it. So A bar into B bar will be this output. So your output of Y2. Let's assume this is 2, this is one part, and then this one will be just C bar. So this one become Y2 plus C bar, but Y2 is A bar into B bar. So A bar into B bar plus C bar is your Y. So this is your final Boolean expression. So like a way anyone can solve Boolean expression with the help of circuit diagram. Yeah. We will try how to make circuit diagram from the equation in the next lecture, or from the truth table in the next lecture. Thank you.